A little over a week ago, I walked into Tractor Supply with my kids, and we saw this bin of Khaki Campbell ducks. My kids looked up at me with these big eyes and said, "Please, Daddy, can we get ducks?" Now, I've always been intrigued by ducks, especially good egg-laying breeds like these Khaki Campbells. So, on a whim, we brought home 4 of them. But here's the crazy part. Within 1 hour of being on our farm, they were gone. I thought I had them set up pretty well. A chicken tractor inside of our electric fencing, a big bowl of water for dunking their beaks, plenty of food and water, everything a duck could need.
They seem a little scared, but somebody is mowing the grass right next door, but this is a really good spot for them. This tractor's been sitting here, right? And everything under it is overgrown. All good food for them to forage and eat. There's Jerusalem artichoke, greens in there, a lot of the weeds and grasses. They've got some starter feed in there, water, and a little bath for them to swim in. So much softer. Their feathers are so soft. I don't think they'll have any trouble keeping them warm. They got nice little, look at them go.
I came back an hour later and they had completely disappeared. And we searched all day. We searched the next morning. Not a feather, not a track, nothing.
Not yet. I thought I saw one. Oh man.
I had no idea ducks could be escape artists like this. I figured they were too big to slip through the fencing or the tractor setup, but apparently not. And I'll be honest, I started to have these moments where I wondered if this was God punishing me for straying away from chickens. Like maybe I wasn't supposed to have ducks. But a few days later, we went back to the store and there were still ducks in the bin. So we tried one more time. This time, 4 more Khaki Campbell ducks came home with us. The only difference, this time I did it right. Instead of putting them straight outside, I set them up in a brooder. Food, water, bedding, and this time I covered the top so there was no way they could escape. Lesson learned.
Water and food. And they're all huddled up even though it's hot in here.
This time, put some coverage on the top of an actual brooder box so they can't get out and escape.
Right now, our chicken flock is in a bit of transition. The weather stressed them out and they slowed down on laying. I hatched 10 chicks earlier this year that aren't laying yet, and I sold a few of my laying hens to a friend to make room for this new flock. So these ducks are going to be an important part of our new egg-laying system.
Hey, buddy. You gonna run away from us? Like the last ducks? They're so fluffy, aren't they soft?
I moved them out of the brooder and into a smaller chicken tractor right in front of our house so we can keep a closer eye on them.
All right, Maddie, let's put them in the tractor. Try this again. Don't throw them, gentle. All right. Oh, it looks scared. Good, 2. One more duck friend.
He just ran away from me.
All right, look at them. They look so much happier in here. Oh, Lily. Aw, they could dig their whole heads in there. Oh my goodness. Don't run away, guys. Tell them not to run away.
Don't run away, guys.
Oh, they're really cute.
Every day I move them to fresh grass, give them a big bowl of water, which they immediately make disgusting, and plenty of feed. And let me tell you, ducks are messy. Messy eaters, messy drinkers, messy everything. But they're also adorable. There's something about ducks that stays cute in a way that chickens kind of lose as they start growing up. I'm already noticing some differences in these 4. 2 of these ducks are a little smaller and a lighter tan color, which I believe means that they are going to be females. The other 2 are slightly larger and darker colored, which means they're probably drakes and males. Which means in the future, I could actually hatch my own ducklings and grow a larger flock of ducks right here on our small homestead.
They like it here. They stuffed a whole eye in there. Yeah, there's ducks.
Come on in, the water's fine. Do they just bathe and stuff too? Or they just go in the water?
I think they clean in the water.
Okay.
They're waterfowl, so.
For now, I'm feeding them a starter from the store. No feed experiments yet. I don't want to give them any reason to try escaping again. But down the road, I'll definitely be testing different feed systems like I do with my chickens. This whole experience has reminded me of why I love homesteading. It's about trying new things, learning as you go, and becoming more resilient each year. Ducks might be messy, but they're also going to bring us fresh eggs, joy for the kids, and one more step towards self-sufficiency. So yeah, my first ducks escaped in an hour, but we didn't give up. Now we've got 4 more, and they're here to stay. I hope. I can't wait to share this journey as they grow, start laying, and become part of our farm. If you're curious about how we raise animals, grow food, and build self-sufficiency on just half an acre, stick around because we've got a lot more to share. Please subscribe to our channel too if you're new here. I would really appreciate that. And give this video a like as well, which will help us with the algorithm here on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
There they go.
Water.